Coach, a big win coming off a loss and get a big win here this evening. Just sum up the game and tell what these 3 points mean for you and the guys.
Well, it mean a lot. I think this confirm was for the top six, and to win a game against Arnett, which have a very good team who is doing very well. It was a very competitive and physical game with quality also. So it was a nice win for the team. It shows good character also that we lost a couple days ago and then we have the courage to come back and play. We went down, not went down. We're leading 1-0. We gave away a penalty and we went to the other end of their goal and score right away. So that shows a lot.
Yes, coach, you talked in the Cavalier game. You said the performance and everything was good, and today you got a good performance and most part from your team. How pleased are you with how things are going with your team at this stage of the season?
Yes, it's good. They know what they have to do to win games, and we talk about it. And I know when we don't win, I know what, sometimes the problems are. So it's a situation where we have to turn up each and every game. Sometimes players can feel like, a team is not at its best, so they can't come and play their best. But games like these, they love to play them, so I'm happy for that.
Yeah, you're 4 points off Arnett Gardens now, coach. How motivated are you to go on for these games and see if you can even catch them and tip them for the third spot?
Well, we just have to take each game as it comes and try to get 3 points from the last 3 games and see where it brings us.
Who you playing next game, coach, and what kind of challenge are you anticipating?
We're playing Waterhouse here at home. It's gonna be a tough game also because I think they they still have a chance to qualify for the top six. So we're looking forward to that.
I think they beat you last time over Jules and
Yes,
coach.
yes, they beat us the last time at Julian 1-0.
Yeah. Anything you take from that game and anything you're looking to do in that match to definitely get the points?
No, what we took from that game was, they were playing like a mid block, and they got a free kick. And it's just we were one of our centre backs were being complacent and gave away a free kick and they score from it and it's a small pitch and I know Fuzzy, he just kept them behind the ball and they keep fighting for their life and they deserve to win. Whatever you get in football, that's what you work for.
Coach, respect.
That's a